Hello, we're going bunker exploring right now. So there's a bunker, an old air raid shelter from the Second World War, a few hundred meters from our doorstep. And some gentleman removed the steel bars that blocked the entrance. Yeah, there's Alex. Yeah, that's my teenager. He's standing guard while I'm going in. And I could only see the entrance. But now that this one that this is accessible, I'm gonna go in and explore it a little bit. Oh, this is much bigger than you would expect. As said, on the outside you only see an entrance and a blocked entrance, and you wouldn't expect it to be this big. Yeah, strange. Did some research on the internet. Someone has been in here a few years ago. It's to see this as a whole different thing. Oh wow. Oh cool. Another room. Probably another small room here. Nothing to see. The corroded bunker doors, completely corroded. Can't be moved. Yeah, that's the second entry you can see from the outside, but it's completely blocked. And there's no way in here. Only one way in and out. So probably not the best shelter in case some Russian missile finds a way to Düsseldorf. Don't have any idea how the structural integrity of this thing is. So what is completely deteriorated, you'll see. But I don't think the wood is necessary for the structural integrity. And the concrete, well, looks good. Oh, what is this? What is it? Maybe another exit I missed. Did I miss an exit? Oh. No. Oh, it was probably blocked. You can see the concrete is different up there. This might have been another exit. Oh, cool. Well, nice to know this is a few hundred meters away from my doorstep. Got a lot of bunkers like this in Düsseldorf. Most are closed and blocked one way or the other. Nice. Well, greetings from Düsseldorf, Germany. Have fun, guys. Oh, what is? Okay, whatever this means. Not even I can find a meaning in this one. There's a lot of rubble. Probably much younger than 1945. Well, I expected. Oh, yeah. It is definitely younger. Cool. Very cool. Let's go in this room again. Have a look. And this down here. Is that another exit? Was it another exit? No, no, no. Oh, it was. It was. It definitely was. But it's complete.